SEFI is one of the most powerful and versatile tools inside your AO scan system. It stands for Subtle Energy Frequency Imprinter, and it allows you to imprint and broadcast targeted frequency sets to support energetic balance in yourself, others, your pets, objects, and more. Let's take a look at how it works. When you open SEFI, you'll notice the Target section at the very top. This is critical. It tells the scan who you are working on. Make sure your target matches the profile you're intending to scan or broadcast to. All frequency actions in SEFI go to the target, not the top profile. Right under the Target section, you'll see Erase and Imprint. Use Erase to clear any existing energetic imprint from any item. Use Imprint to embed frequencies into your chosen item. Place the item on the fractal amplifier screen of a phone or tablet, tap Start, and the system will handle the rest. While these features are visible on desktop, they only work on mobile devices since the item needs to be placed directly on the screen. Custom Playlist is one of the most popular features in SEFI. It lets you create a personalized list of your favorite frequencies, making it faster and easier to run repeated frequency sessions. Each playlist can include up to 15 frequencies. When you're done, be sure to give it a name and save it. Once saved, you can edit or delete your playlists anytime with just a few taps. Before you broadcast or imprint, make sure the correct profile is selected as your scan target. And that's it. Your playlist is ready for broadcast or imprinted. Now, let's explore the Quantum SEFI section. All the features here work in a similar way. You can either scan for a frequency or select one manually. Once selected, simply imprint it into your chosen medium or broadcast it directly to the target. Another section you'll find in SEFI is the miscellaneous section. Homeoenergetics, SEFI dots, and AO tune work similarly to the features in Quantum SEFI. You can either scan for a frequency or select one manually, then imprint it onto an item or broadcast it. The feature that's a bit different in this section is multicast. However, the layout should feel familiar as it's almost identical to multiscan. The main difference is that multiscan performs vitals and comprehensive scans, while multicast allows you to scan for flower frequencies, add a playlist, and broadcast those frequencies to each selected profile. And that's it for this chapter. With SEFI, you're ready to imprint, broadcast, and bring balance anytime you need it.